Hey guys, so in today's episode I'm going to be taking you through how to do PowerPoint animations and the different types of animations there are in PowerPoint. So let's begin. So I've opened up a new session of PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint 2016 and above. So let's just try to make say you're doing a presentation for a big big sales pitch or something. Let's see if we can make our presentation a little bit more professional. So let's just say insert pictures. Let's pick online pictures. Under Bing, let's just put there maybe professional. Enter. See if we can find a professional looking picture here in the back. Let's use this one. This one looks quite nice. Let's just set this maybe as the background. Let's remove that logo there. Set this here. Just fill it up to the bottom. Expand it out. Cool. Let's format that picture. Just looking for the opacity. I think it's somewhere around here. I forget. It should be under picture here. Preset contrast. Let's just try if we can take this down a bit. Take down the brightness. Temperature. Okay, perfect. I think that should work. Actually, let's just take down the temperature a little bit more. And the saturation, let's take it down a little bit more. And let's just drop the brightness. So we can at least put our text in there. Sharpness, so we can actually, let's adjust it a bit. There we go. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, cool. Now let's insert some text. So let's insert text box in here. Let's call it animations. Let's center it. There's the text box. Let's make it bigger. So this is a presentation that you're going to be doing, right? And you don't want all the information to sit as one big blob, because when you're busy presenting to the audience and the audience sees a big block of text, it's hard to follow. So what we want to do is we want to make the animations as clear as possible and the words as visible as possible. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what we do is let's insert another text box. Say we're doing an executive summary. Let's call it executive summary. Let's make this a little bit bigger as well. Let's change the color maybe to make it a little bit more professional. Let's use like a grayish color and make it bold. Okay, maybe this picture, we can just lighten it a little bit more so we can see the text. Perfect. Actually, wait. Let's make it a little bit more brighter so we can see. Let's just brighten like that. Okay, awesome. Okay, cool. So we've got bullet point. Now let's just make some bullet points in here. So put this bullet point there, and then let's just call it bullet point 1. So say you want to present each of the slides each of the bullet points. You can put the animations on each separate bullet point. So this is bullet point number 2 and bullet point 3, bullet point 4, bullet point 4, and bullet point 5. Okay, perfect. Let's just make these different color. Let's make this green. Make this red or yellow. Let's make this yellow. And let's make this maybe a purple. Cool, let's save that. Okay, cool. Now we want, so there's different types of animation in PowerPoint. So let me explain. So under the animations tab, what's going to happen is, let's just close here. There's something called an animation pane. So the animation pane allows you to view and edit the timelines of the animation. So that's where you can customize. When you get to an advanced stage of animations, you can actually adjust what you want to make the animations do. So just the basics of basic animation. So in your preview option here, it's currently set to auto preview. So let me just explain to you what each of these do. So you've got appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wipe, and shape. There's a whole list if you drop it down. So these are all your entrance animations. These are all your emphasis animations, and these are all your exit animations. So animations should sort of like disappear. So your entrance, as the name says, emphasis if you want to highlight a specific area that you want the audience to focus on, and then exit, so it can just exit out of the screen. So let's test. So the way you test each of the animations is you can click on the animation and it sets it for you. And if you hit play, so appear is just normal appear. Fade, you can see what happens, it goes in slowly. Fly in, you see everything comes up all at once. Floats in, it floats in. Split, I can do it again, so you see it splitting. And then wiping, as it says, it wipes it upwards, down from bottom to top. And shape, it comes in like that. So let's put it back. If you don't want any animation, so you see the animation puts it on the right there. So if you don't want any animation, just click none. Now if you want the animation where each of the lines comes in one by one by one by one by one, line by line, what you do is you can put in this animation. So let's just put, let's see what we can put here. Let's put fly in, but we want it to fly in from the right. There we go. So like that. And you can actually make it fly in paragraph by paragraph. So let's just see if we can highlight everything. Let me just check how you do that again. So let's just put there, I think it was like that. So you say fly in from the right. And I think you just kind of do the same for everything else. So you can put animations. I remember seeing you can actually do it by paragraph, by bullets. Let me just check. There was a button here. I don't know, where's it gone? Okay, so animation painter. And you can, so you can actually select that animation painter and you can put it on here. So let's put all of these. Fly in from the left. From the right. Perfect. So you can set them each separately. So start on click. So now there you go. So now each of them. Test this. So let's go Shift F5. Slideshow. Let's just say show from beginning. There we go. So now if you click your button on the mouse or you press a key on the keyboard, you get this. Explain it as executive summary to your audience. Go through your talking points. We had that bullet point fly up. Then we had that one fly in from the right. And each individual bullet points is now separated. So yeah, if you guys liked the content that I put out there, please ask any questions in the bottom of the comment section below, and I'll answer it as quick as possible, and I hope I've added value in your life. Plus, please smash that subscribe button, like the one right at the bottom there. It will definitely help me push out more content and add more value to your guys' lives and make your presentations look a lot more professional in future. Check out some of my other links to some of my other Excel contents that I produce. I've got some amazing stuff there. It's not long. They're very quick videos. Please have a look, and yeah, like and subscribe. Ask me questions at the bottom, and I'll get back to you and answer your questions as quick as possible. Yeah, and I produce content once every week. So continue watching and let me know what I should do next.